Hey,
What's up?
I have a problem and I was wondering if you could help.
Yeah, let's hear it.
Every time I show up to a client shoot, the client thinks I can't do video because this is a DSLR. Can you do your magic?
All right, here you go.
Whoa, sweet. Thanks.
So today I want to talk to you about this brand new camera cage by Falcam for the Sony A7RV. And it uses their F22 quick release system, which before this I hadn't tried yet. I heard about this quick release system from a video by Caleb Pike from DSLR Video Shooter, but I never had a chance to try this F22 system, quick release system from Falcam. Being able to try this for the first time, I have to say that it's actually a very neat system and I like it very, very much. So in today's video, I'll be talking to you about this camera cage for the Sony A7RV, and then we're going to build up this camera to a somewhat portable camera rig. But if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button for future videos from me. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for being here again. Your support is always appreciated. So let's first talk about the F22 ecosystem. I find the F22 quick release system such a great ecosystem to work with. I just love how minimalistic it is, how small the base plates are, and how it just works across the entire ecosystem of Falcam. So they introduced many different accessories such as top handles, side grips, and other accessories. With the F22 quick release system, all you need to do is slide the plate into the receiver and it just locks in place without the need of turning a knob or locking the plate and the receiver. To release it, all you need to do is just press that release button and slide it back out. So it's a very quick and easy system to use. If you have certain accessories that do not have the F22 quick release system, like for example, this radar monitor right here, you'll usually have a 1/4 inch thread. You can get these small plates, these F22 plates, just attach it to the back of your accessory in the 1/4 inch thread. And from there, just slide it into the receiver. And no need to lock it, and it's already pretty snug and it stays in place. And to release it, just press this button. You can release it. The cage for the Sony A7RV is quite nice as well. It incorporates the F22 quick release system throughout the cage. It has a cold shoe, 1/4 inch threads, as well as an optional side plate that you can install if you wanted to add more accessories to your rig. Another thing to note too is that it's also compatible with some of Falcam's other quick release systems like F38 or F50 if you have those. Even though it fits very snug on the Sony A7RV, it doesn't block any of the compartment doors like the HDMI compartment, the microphone compartment, the battery compartment, or the SD card slots. So that is a big plus. You can attach accessories to the top of the cage. So if you have an F22 handle like this one, you can just attach that. Or if you have a different top handle, you can attach that via a 1/4 inch screw along with locating pins if you have that. Another huge thing is the ability to quickly switch from horizontal video to vertical video because there is an Arca switch plate at the bottom of this cage as well as on the side of the cage. Unfortunately though, if you use a Manfrotto long plate system, you'll have to figure out ways to work with this system. Another neat thing about this cage is that there are actual holes for your camera strap, and this means that you can probably leave this cage on your camera at all times, regardless of whether you're shooting video or photography. Falcam also has a strap that they create that is magnetic, which is really cool, that I've been using. I'll be reviewing those compared to the Peak Design ones in a later video, so stay tuned for that. I really like how this cage has such a tight fit around the camera without it feeling large or bulky. Another minor detail that makes a big difference is that you can lay this flat on any surface because the plate at the bottom of the cage does not extend out. It's already built in along with the camera cage. So this is what we have for the top handle. And there's this little bracket right here. So with the F22 system, all you need to do is just slide this in and it locks in place. And this will attach to that camera cage. And we'll attach this to the camera cage by sliding it in just like that. No need to lock it because it's already locked right there. Very easy. We already got ourselves our top handle. This is the side handle. You can get one or you can get two depending on how many handles you want on your rig. So with the camera cage here, all you need to do is just slide it up and it already locks in place. Very easy and quick. There are more options here to add more accessories using the F22 ecosystem or a 1/4 inch thread. One neat thing about this side handle too is that you can go from shooting like this horizontally to vertically if you want it like a handle to hold that. So let me show you. Slide it out this way. Because this side handle has this quick release at the top, you can slide it this way and it's locked. And now you get yourself like a mini handhold tripod if you're shooting vertical video. Super, super useful and easy to switch. You can use this adapter to add a video monitor. So all you need to do is detach this little plate and attach it to the bottom of your video monitor, like so. Then you can detach this other plate on this bracket and attach this to the top of your top handle. Once that's here, all you need to do is just slide this adapter back in, and now you're ready to mount your monitor. And if it's snug and we have our little camera rig, all we need to do now is on the cold shoe here, just add a shotgun microphone. And we got ourselves a mini filmmaking rig here with the Sony A7RV. And there's other things that you can add if you wish with that side plate, but this is looking pretty good. So all in all, I'm actually quite impressed with this camera cage and the F22 ecosystem from Falcam. I like how easy they make everything and how it does not take too much time to build out a rig using this system. As usual, I'll be leaving links in the description below to all of these items if you're interested. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.